Yo, yo, yo. All right. So, just being fully transparent to my future self right now is very, very tough time in my trading. I mean, I've blown two accounts, one where I was well over halfway completed with the funded, and I had one bad day, blew through almost all of my profits just from the sheer fact that I kept closing my trades early. Um, And then the next couple days after that were just downhill. I was ready to give up on the challenge and just start a new one. And then I started a new one and I took honestly a trade I'd take 99 times out of 10, 100. It failed. And then I took a second very stupid trade, which failed. And then, of course, a good setup presented itself later in that session. So I lost $1,000 that day. And then the next day, I forget what happened, but I ended up blowing that account as well. So now I'm on my third account. Um, Honestly, just not feeling the best when it comes to trading. So I'm going to do a backtesting session. I'm going to test my model that I've been trading on demo for a very long time, and then I'm going to test this sort of new way of trading. And I'm gonna do 2 weeks each just to see kind of how I like either or. So here we go. Go to the 4 hour. Let's skip to prices in the day. Okay, 15 minute, and then 1, 2. All right, 9:30. Here we go. Clearly have these highs here. So the 4 hour, 4 hours displacing pretty nice. A lot higher and nothing really on the it'd be London lows, Asian lows all the way down here, I guess, on this wick, but I like these hourly lows here. So just going into this session here, I'm seeing price move up, displace out of this hourly gap, also in this market maker buy model right here. So I'm really looking for this to be hit, and then based on how this reacts, I will either target this hourly gap as the next draw, or I want to see price then sell off and ultimately take out these lows, but at least one of these. So, oh gosh. So let's see here. What's price do? Of open. Perfect. We take out that liquidity. Let's see. 932. Touching into this gap here, displacing higher. Not really seeing honestly anything to enter off of. Let me go to the 5 minute. Yeah, nothing really on the 5 minute. Anything on the 15? No, other than 930 open. Just kind of waiting, honestly. Just waiting. All right, perfect. We've now touched into this gap, and now I'm definitely looking for price to at least pull back into this gap here. Nice. Um, Honestly, like this short, I don't think there's anything wrong with this. Strong displacements, break of structure on the 1 minute. 3 minute looks good. 5 minute looks good. Yeah, I think this is okay to enter. No break even when price hits this gap. Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, I literally entered off of something that wasn't my model at all. Essentially, that's what that was. There was no inverse fair value gap. There was no nothing. I just entered because I felt like it. So that's what that was. That's why I lost. Need to mark out this 5 minute gap. Free price. Just to draw back into it. All right, so just nothing here. For the next day. All right, so price is obviously in this range here. I don't think I necessarily want to be looking for a trade until price hits one of these two levels. To at least go to market open. All right, so what do we got? Market came up, swept out these highs here. Guess these are data highs. Strong draw there. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna look for this 3 minute to get inverse before I decide to do anything. Okay, perfect. Um, this is tough. Technically, I should enter, but the like risk to reward is just not good. Like, what is this? It's just not. It's just not good. I need to see price maybe make a little retracement here to this gap. Maybe we continue lower to this. We'll see. Strong displacement down. Nope. Um, this honestly looks like a good long position. At minimum, we should take this out. At minimum. Let me see on the 3 minute. Yeah, I like this long. I think this is good. Stops below this. When we take this out, I can move stops. Bro, why is it not entering me in the position, dude? What? Like, come on. Let's see if this would have panned out. Okay, nice. So yeah, technically that should have been a win. I mean, I don't know what to say. Um, yeah, I mean that sucks, honestly. Should have been a win. Um, I think I might just restart the session, honestly. That's really stupid. Is it June? Yeah. June 16th to June, whoops, 30th. Perfect. Oh, gosh. All right, yeah, let me just go ahead and take a loss um for this one, or I don't really know what to do. Um, yeah, I mean, where was it? Like, where was the trade for this day? Truly, 935. You get displacements lower, taking out, I mean, literally nothing. I mean, we get our 5 minute retrace, but like, is this what you're supposed to enter off of? This big candle targeting whatever? Like, I guess this is the trade you want to take. You just wait for this gap to get filled. I mean, maybe that's the trade you take. I'm honestly not really sure. Anyways, let's go to the next day and not get screwed over by this software. 10 p.m., 2 a.m., 6 a.m. Oh my God, no way. Don't fucking do this shit. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, was this even the trade I was taking? I think it was. I had a 1 to 9. Oh, was it up to here maybe? Yeah, there you go. All right, please fill me. Don't be don't be weird. Is there a way I can hold on? There might be a way I can, yeah, market order. There you go. Okay, hold on. Messed it up. Jeez, this is so janky. My goodness. Percent. There you go. All right, perfect. All right, next day. Um, this is looking pretty good for all-time highs. I mean, oh, this is? No, it's not. But this high is looking pretty good. I can't lie. I would definitely want to see longs off of this. for sure. And price shouldn't go below this. If it does, then I mean, I'm retarded. Let's see. Okay. Right. Market took out that. We will now be moving stops to break even. Wow. Okay. Nice. Here we go. All right, so I kind of want to explain this to myself because I know no one's watching this. What I saw was this was a very predominant swing low, and and this I watched this market maker buy model, and I really think it really gave me some sauce. I can't lie. We also did fill this fair value gap in, but anyways, this is the lowest point you would want to see price draw into to complete. It completed its sell model, right? Price hit, I don't know, maybe it swept this liquidity out or not. I'm not really sure. I don't really care what price hit, but this is now the swing point of the high curve. So I kind of want to just draw this out to explain it to myself. Sure, right? So in the buy model, it goes something like this, right? So, geez. Okay. So the buy model is this entire move, right? So obviously price is going to come up here. I guarantee it before it comes down to here. However, you can think about this in reverse. So this, oh shit, yeah, that is the curve of the sell model right here. So to complete the sell model, we have to take out this low, which we did perfectly. And now the sell model is complete. So now we can start the buy model, which is right here. Right? So this is the curve, this is the sell side curve of the buy model, and then now we're buying back up. So price should not come below this, or else I'm just completely wrong. But that's good. I really like that. And then what was I saying? Price should theoretically price should take this out before it comes down below here. So we can see what happens. Okay. I was dead wrong. All right, nice. But you never know. This could have been an SMT. I mean, you don't know. This could have been SMT. Now price should come down to this swing low before we draw. Okay, so 2, 3. Okay. So this should be my main target for the day, honestly. I should be super bearish. Because to complete this sell model, we need to come down and take out this swing low. So all this, I know it's low resistance liquidity, trendline liquidity, but we shouldn't we shouldn't take this out before this gets taken out. That's all I'm trying to say. See, 4 hour looks good. Definitely the downtrend on the 4 hour. This should be the main target. We have these lows here. 15-minute right? So maybe see this buy model play out to here, so then we can then draw it down lower. That's what I would like to see. Boom. All right. So this is definitely a continuation type day. Definitely. 5 minute. And all I'm looking for my continuation is a retracement into a 5 minute or 15-minute gap, just like this right here. See what we get out of this. And 55, and 59. Let's see. This should play out, I think. See, are we respecting that 5 minute gap? Yes. Okay. Price shouldn't come above this before it goes and takes out that low. What I'm thinking. I'm just dead wrong. All right, nice. So at 10:30 we get the inversion I wanted. All right, cool. Nice. We get a big sell off here. All right, I should enter shorts probably. Right. See, the thing is when I'm backtesting this, this could have been taken out on ES this low. So there could just be an SMT, and it's like, how would you ever, like, how would I ever know? Um, but so that's why you kind of have to take these sessions with a grain of salt. But we'll see. I mean, yeah, this is just er, pretty frustrating because I want to go on ES and look at June. Let's go to June. May, June. What's the day? What's the day? 19th. All right. Wait, what? Yeah. June 19th. Here we go. I mean, yeah, like this low was taken out on ES from the 17th of June. Yeah, okay, so exactly. I mean, this was taken out forever ago. Like, regardless, I mean, there was an SMT, so it's like it kind of changes the game a little bit, but it is what it is. Move on. I mean, yeah, huge SMT, right? Because ES is all the way down here. Like, yeah, I mean, that's all right. Probably just be a day to stay out of the market. Right, yeah, there's the big move up. 6 a.m. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's go to 8. Okay, so overall draw of the day, bullish. Probably looking for a retracement, so we can extend higher. This should be a protected low. Shouldn't come down past that, but if we do it, that's all right. 8 a.m. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yeah, we're just running straight for this. 1, 2. Okay, so we took this out, market. Guess now I'm just looking for a retrace. Guess that's my play for the day. I mean, this was the liquidity, so big expansions to the upside. There's not really anything else. I mean, we have this all the way over here, but I don't know if that's really achievable. So let's go to the 5 minute. That's what we got. There we go. 940. We do have this 930 low. 930 open. We could take 943. Boom. Big displacement candle. No 3 minute. No 5 minute. This could be a good shorting opportunity. I like shorts here. See if this works out. I mean, holy. Nice. Perfect. That was a good one. I'm not going to take another trade. I do just want to see how, theoretically what's going to happen. Do we draw down into, I guess, no, certainly not. Something on the 4 hour? No. 15 minute, maybe. Probably, honestly, just going into equilibrium. That's what I bet. Let's see. Right? Equilibrium, finding balance, going into this hourly. Holy. Do we take out this low at the very bottom? Okay. Do we displace? Yep. All right. Cool. I mean, theoretically, I'm never holding till this ever, but just trying to take my 1 to 0.5. But could have, I mean, the most I would have taken lower would be to this, to, oh, no, not that equilibrium. Yeah, this equilibrium right here. So 1 to 2.7 be the most I would take. Perfectly lined up with this 5 minute low too. Yeah. Um, but cool. Let's move on. Two, 6, 2 a.m., 6 a.m. All right. Go down to the hourly. Let's see. 9 a.m. Please no. Oh, why does it do this? This is so silly. I literally might have taken longs out of this. Very frustrating. Let's see. Maybe. I don't know if I would have taken longs out of that actually. I mean, let's see. What would this have been? Yeah, no way. I would have, my stop loss would have been chalked. Probably just gonna wait to see this get hit and see what happens. Right. So we have um where's price want to go to? Where do you want to go to? This high? Really? Very well could. Just presented 15-minute. Hmm, maybe, maybe. Maybe we just sell off. Leave it for another day. See. That's at 11 a.m. We get a retracement into something. Um, so I mean, 3 minute. So this is what would have been the only trade to have taken. Would have been this there, I think. Oops. Probably go break even at, I don't know, probably those highs right there. Go break even. So yeah, stopped out at break even. That's all time highs. Yep. Wow. Okay. So we took out all time highs. I mean, literally looking for a retracement into something. There it is. 8 a.m., 8:30, 9. Not getting screwed over again. 2, 3, 4, 6. All right. Cool. I mean, lots of, lots of low resistance liquidity right here. What is this? Running highs. These are the lows. Guessing this is, yeah, data? No, it's not data. I don't know what that is. Oh, shit. What? All right, we took that out. You really could long this. Not with that stop loss. Like that. I'm not going to, though. Yeah, that's probably why. Um, a little late on the entry just because I overclicked, but it's fine. No, I should have went break even. Oh, okay, technically I should be break even right now. Takes me out break even and stops me out. And then keeps going higher. Okay. Once again, could have been an SMT here. So then these longs would have been pretty free. Probably all the way up to there. Jeez. I'm getting tired of trading all-time highs, that's for sure. My goodness. 10, 2, 7, 15 minutes. See what we got. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's 9:30 open. We are going sky high. No one can stop us. Only looking for longs. Get our 5-minute retrace. Bada bing, bada boom. Looking to target that right there. See if we get displacement out of this. See. No. Check out these lows. Let's see what happens. Okay. Currently holding this. Hmm. Maybe I should short this. I don't know. Like, where do I, what am I targeting? You know, it's hourly low. Like, I'm not sure. Hope and pray for a 1-to-1. Guess so, yeah. It's just Chop City. Holy. Um, hmm. Maybe just look for the internal sweep, the internal turtle soup. So I guess maybe you short this, stops above that, but then, yeah, like, I don't understand what am I targeting? It's the real issue. Hmm, whatever. I'm stay. I only have 3 more days, 2 more days, two, oh, whoops, two. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. All right, 8 a.m. Still at all-time highs. Sheesh. Okay. We have this. We're in a buy model. Just going up to Narnia. 8:15, 8:30. Ooh, 8:30 news. 9:15, 9:30. Nice. 9:30 news, maybe? Be nice. Good target. See what happens. Boom. All right, perfect. Take out these lows. Instantly scaling down. Instantly. Maybe fill this gap. Nice. Literally just waiting on something. Maybe this inversion. I missed my entry again, man. Jeez. Um, it's not exactly what we want, but before I place this, let me go on the 5 minute. Just see what's happening. We fill a gap or something? Why are we? Why did we just place this low? This low? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Maybe look for some more candles actually. This still could reverse, actually. Let's see. Oh, nice. Oh, that sucks. Nice. So two trades that I should have taken that I didn't. That would have played out. It sucks. Sucks. Is there a 3 minute somewhere in here? Uh-uh. Okay. It's all right. Last day. Last day. Same thing as before. All-time highs. What are we looking for? Fill in this. Fill in that. Oh. All right. It's okay. Good retrace is always good. Now this gives us this to target. Taking out this swing low. Yep. Still respecting this gap here. I like it. See what we got on the 1 minute. I mean, if it wasn't 9:33, I should enter long right here. Just gonna wait. 9:40. Okay, if we get a green candle, I'm in. I should be in right there. Should I mark this out? Oh, it's a 15. Mm, oh, hmm, okay. Okay, second we poke into this 15. Stops go to break even. Yep. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Why is it doing this? Oh, get off of my screen. Like, what in the world, dude? Perfect. That shit's gone. Oh shit. Bang, 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 bang. Oh no. Okay, it's only 9:45. All right, we're good. Okay, this cell model should be complete based on that close. Um, our all-time highs. I'm totally looking for longs. Totally. Which I should have already been in. 3 minute. Nope. 5 minute. Nope. It's a little late to enter, but I'm gonna do it. Technically, this is late to enter, um, but should be okay. All right, cool. That should be it. Look out the day, see what my stats were. All right, let's see. We're going to, so 6 trades, but we need to add two to them, one for the first loss, and then one for the win that I should have had. Um, so 7-2. Um, what was the final P&L? Forgot. Three. Okay. So not bad. All right, that was pretty good. 2 weeks. I like that backtesting session. I think I'm starting to see the market pretty well.